my last question to you, Shilpa, is how do we, involve our teenagers in family functions? How do we make them part of these family functions?
Yeah, thank you, Lata, for this question. And I mean, all the coaches have given such wonderful information.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, involving teenagers with the family during the family function is the great opportunity to create that bond between the family and the teenagers. And involvement of teenagers would be depending upon how much time and it is absolutely dependent upon how well we know about them, and how much are we aware of their weaknesses and strengths, so that we can give them uh, s- or like responsibilities related to their strengths and weaknesses. So and so once this step is complete, once this step is yeah once this step is complete, we can involve them in planning of the function, and so that they feel worthy, and they feel that they are being valued, and their opinion does matters. So that is also very important. And when we actually treat them like adults, and we give keep them posted about my little details, so it put gives puts a little very big impact on their personality. So uh, and definitely when they feel that they're part of the bigger picture, they do it with a lot of responsibility and with a lot of interest. So once we are aware of what their area of interest are, we can assign them um, duties accordingly. So one of the, like, if they're they have their strong interpersonal skills, we can give them we can assign them the duty where can be connected to more people, and there's a lot of interaction is required. And if they are creatively bent, then we can give them like the area where uh, color choice is required and aesthetics. And if they are like resourceful, then uh, we can give them coordination and research work. So but through and through, we need to keep this in mind, that we are not imposing something on them, and rather we are helping them grow. And by doing it in this way, we are we're not doing it in a manner which is commanding or instructing. Rather, we are doing it in a manner which is enabling, understanding, and empowering, supporting. So they will definitely be feel valued and worthy and empowered. So I do have a lot of children in my family. When they've been given responsibilities, I mean teenagers, I would say,
Mhm.
they handle situations in a much better way. And they show, and when appreciated, they come up with a lot of interest, and they really want to help you out with things. So definitely that's how what I want to say. And
Yeah. That
yeah.
was lovely, Shilpa. Yes, I understand that whenever we give responsibility to children, they are like more participative and they are like more willing to give. So we need to do is to make them part of whatever we are planning. So yes, this is really one good thing, to have our children be part of the functions we are planning for them. So we with this, we are now coming to the end of our session today, and it was wonderful. And I think all of our listeners, our parents who all will be watching it, are watching it live or will be watching it later, will get lot many tips from all of you. And from academy, I would like to thank each one of you and the kind of work you guys are doing. And based on that, here's a small token of love for all of you from MEQ Academy. Let me just share the screen with you. So if you can see the screen, We want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. And we have planted a tree in your name in the Himalayas in Uttarakhand to show your contribution towards the climate change. So we at Amiki Academy are proud of your contribution as kids and parents life coaches towards society, towards the children, the positive changes that you are bringing to the world. And as a token of love and gratitude, we have planted a tree in Uttarakhand in your honor as a small contribution to save our environment. You're going to get your links. The best part is you can watch your plants, you can see them growing and be really happy. So that's from us to you, and keep
That's
doing the good
lovely.
work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And